Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue that many of you have faced. Messenger couldn't send the message. Let's dive right in and get your Messenger working smoothly. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. This may seem obvious, but sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause message sending issues. Check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. You can also run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable. Next, try restarting the Messenger app. Sometimes simply closing and opening the app can resolve temporary glitches. Ensure that you have the latest version of Messenger. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger. And if there's an update available, install it. For Android user, clearing the app cache can help. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Messenger and tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Sometimes the issue might be on Messenger end. Check if Messenger is experiencing service outages by visiting websites like Down Detector. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This can fix any corrupted files or settings causing the issue. Make sure Messenger has all the necessary permissions. Go to Settings, then on Messenger, and check the permissions. Ensure it has access to what it needs, like storage and contacts. If you're still having trouble, you can contact Facebook support. Go to the help center and search for Messenger support option. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to fix the Messenger couldn't send the message problem. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and secure.